The finalists for Charity of the Year are Age UK, Calderdale and Kirklees.
We've got a wide range of services. I'm very proud of all the services that we deliver at Age UK. We've got 300 clients for home helpers, which is probably one of the oldest services that go out to people's home and make sure they can live independently and give them that support they need. We've got Home from Hospital in Calderdale, which is people coming home from hospital when it's a high risk. We'll meet them, go in, settle them in, make sure it's safe.
Giving people with dementia a voice. We've done so much this year that they've said they'd like to do to be able to share their experiences, and I think we've made that happen.
It really supports people with dementia, anybody that is affected by dementia actually. It's not just people with a diagnosis, it's very much supporting their families, friends, even neighbours.
Well, we organised a summer trip that was available free of charge to people in Calderdale, and we organised to go to St Anne's for the day.
One man said that he walked down a pier and he said, last time I walked down this pier, it was with my wife on my honeymoon, and that makes it all worthwhile.
I think the staff team within all the different services, they care, they want to be there, and I've just found it such a friendly organisation to be involved in.
Focus for Hope.
The strapline for Focus for Hope is to help anyone vulnerable within the community. So as you can expect, that is a lot of people at the moment. Day-to-day basis, we are a support drop-in. So anyone in crisis, whether needing food support or fleeing DV, they need a sofa. Anyone can pop in and we will talk through with them how Focus for Hope can help them. So we are that crisis support. On a weekly basis, we have support drop-ins of coffee mornings and craft clubs. We do our senior trips on a monthly basis, and we take our seniors all over Yorkshire on our minibus and treat them to a day out. We do our homeless feeds fortnightly over in Leeds City Centre. We do our SEND support group. We do our Friday Food Club to help with the cost of living crisis. We set that up nearly 2 years ago. And we have our brilliant pre-loved boutique Replenish. We work so hard, and it's just for the love of wanting to care and support people and help them out of that crisis they're in, however they turn up at the door. So to be voted and then nominated for Charity of the Year is really special. Thank you very much.
Happy Days.
Happy Days is a charity for people who are homeless and in crisis. We have the Complex Life service, a drop-in service that people can come to at any time if they're in crisis. We've got a wound clinic that NHS nurses run, and the unique thing is that people don't need an appointment.
And then we have the only winter shelter in Calderdale with 8 beds from October to March. Supermarket, people can come in and buy 15 items for £6. Pound of that goes to credit union.
We have got a project called Building Bridges. What we feel is that Calderdale needs more supported housing. So the charity bought a house and it's been refurbished as we speak. That's going to have 7 individual spaces for people who have been repeatedly homeless and struggle to sustain a tenancy. But we're not going to stop there. We've then got plans to refurbish the gathering place so that we introduce another 15 rooms, as well as a bigger Complex Lives drop-in service with even more health clinics.
5-year plan.
Project Colt.
Project Colt was established in 2003. In 2020, we made some significant changes. We decided to make this a base for the wider community.
It's not just a community hub, but we're trying to create a destination where people can engage in a wide variety of everyday activities, which would then encourage people that use our services for recovery to engage easily.
Come to visit us. You will find amazing services there, good quality second-hand pre-loved furniture, clothing, bric-a-brac. You can have a haircut, you can have a coffee, beautiful cakes. One of the key things that we hear from people all the time, they walk in and they go, wow. There is a sense of wow when you come into the building, and it's very inclusive. It's a place where you can just be, chill, relax, and participate in various offers we have.
We are trying to design a place where that is an easy reach. We can help people. If our community benefits, then we're doing our job.